Many of the activities you do every day can be entirely performed online. You can use applications on your phone, computer, tablet, or other devices to access the web and perform tasks such as shopping, reserving hotels, and chatting with friends and work colleagues. With remote working becoming more popular, you can work, engage with your colleagues, and be productive all from the comfort of your home. All of that is possible with a combination of internet infrastructure and technologies and skilled professionals who build the apps that you use. Just to mention that when you come across the term app, it could refer to an app on your phone or to a web app that runs on a website or by some other online method. In this course, starting with Module 1, you will cover an introduction to how the web works, including an exploration of web pages, web servers, and web browsers. You will learn what each is and what their role is in bringing the internet to you. You will also get hands-on practice using core internet technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will learn how developers bring these technologies together and build functional and interactive websites and web applications. As you progress, you will explore some of the tools used by professional developers, and you will learn the fundamentals of coding using best practices and standards. For example, you will learn how to use the web browser's built-in developer tools and code using industry standard software known as an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Professionals use IDEs to write code more efficiently. In Module 2, you will begin your coding journey with an introduction to HTML5 and CSS. You will learn the basics of each of these languages and how they complement each other to lay out and style elements on a web page. This includes text, images, and multimedia elements like video. Additionally, to make sure that your web page is accessible to everyone, you will learn how to code for web accessibility. In Module 3, you will learn how developers use frameworks and libraries. This module will focus on responsive design. You will learn how to implement the Bootstrap library so that web pages can offer a great browsing experience no matter what type of device is used. You will also learn about user interface or UI design and how to work with common UI components and position them using the flexible Bootstrap grid. Next, you'll be introduced to React, a free and open source JavaScript library that developers use to build user interfaces based on UI components. And you will then learn about the difference between static and dynamic content and the benefits of using single-page applications. And speaking of content, in Module 4, you will have an opportunity to put your new skills into practice by editing your very own biographical web page. In summary, this course provides you with an introduction to web development. It is part of a program of courses that leads you towards a career in software development. There are many videos in your course that will gradually guide you toward that goal. Watch, pause, rewind, and re-watch the videos until you are confident in your skills. Then, consolidate your knowledge by consulting the course readings and put your skills into practice during the course exercises. Along the way, you'll encounter several knowledge quizzes where you can self-check your progress. You're not alone in considering a career as a web developer, and the course discussion prompts enable you to connect with your classmates. It's a great way to share knowledge, discuss difficulties, and make new friends. To be successful in the course, you should try to develop a schedule for your learning regime. Ideally, commit yourself to a regular time slot and duration for your study. You have probably encountered many new technical words and terminology in this video. Don't worry if you don't fully understand all these terms right now. Everything will become clearer as you progress through the course.